sauteed vegetable beef stew. I have got some stew meat that I picked up from Sam's, which I'm going to have 2 packs put in here. So it's going to be around 4.5 hair over pounds. So I'm going to put this in here. Then I'm going to add some water. I'm going to use the manual setting on this. And I'm only going to cook the meat about halfway. So I'm going to add about 1 3/4 cups of water. The lid down. We're going to turn it on. Set the time at around 13 minutes. And we will be back in a bit. Okay guys, so the stew meat's done. So into this, I'm going to add 2 cut up potatoes, 2 cans of tomato sauce, 2 cans of undrained green beans, a 10-ounce bag of frozen corn. Give it a good dose of salt. Some black pepper. Some garlic powder. Some onion powder. Toss that lid back on. And I'm going to use the meat stew button this time. And there we go. It takes like 35 minutes. So be back when it's done. Okay, so our soup's ready. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch you next time.